In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit ramps in Fortnite. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And the cool thing about ramps is they can be utilized in so many different ways. So editing them is very useful, obviously, depending on whatever situation that you're in. But let's say I wanted to do like a half ramp. What I gotta do is, as you can see, there's technically 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there is, there's going to be like 3, 3, and then 2 right there. So that's going to be 8 tiles in total, right? So what I want to go ahead and do is if I want to edit like a half ramp, all I got to do is go this way and just do 3 tiles this way. As you can see, it's half a ramp. If I want to do it the other way, just go ahead and do it this way. Now, of course, you can like, if a ramp is currently like this, like straightforward this way, what I could do is go ahead and do this way as well, right? So like, let's say if someone's standing right there, I could go like this and then just instantly shoot them and then reset my stair if I want to. Same thing the other way around. Let's say, there's a really good exploit that you can do where like, let's say if you're in a box, someone is on the other side of this box right here. What I could do is do a ramp flip. So it's this tile and then this tile instantly, because again, there's nothing in the middle. Go like that. And then I just switch it again. And now I'm phased in between the stair, which basically allows me to shoot right through the stair, even though they can't see me. And that's the benefit. As you can see, the wall's not there anymore because I just shot through it. And that's going to be very useful because a lot of people still don't expect that. So, it's going to be very useful in that situation. Another thing I personally like doing, which I don't see enough people use, is whenever you have stairs like this, if I go like this and create a U shape, it's going to create a U shape on the stairs. Let's say if someone's right in front of me, it's going to block them from like jumping, and then I could just instantly get a shot on them as well. And yeah, it just confuses people so much when you do that edit, but it is very useful to go ahead and do it. So, we'll just do that again. All you got to do is just something like this, and then you'll be able to edit. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.